Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB, and I'm so excited. So I decided to join a challenge for the month of July, and this is going to be basically a prep video of I'm joining the challenge of hashtag jelly postcard play, I do believe it is called, but it'll be in the title, of course, with the hashtag and everything. And it was created by Ceri the Crafter. And I would like to thank him for that. Yeah, this is going to be interesting because this is the first time that I've ever joined anything like on the line. I usually just kind of stay to myself, even in real life, but we're going to try it. So I already cut up all of my 4x6 postcards, and here they are. I used some mixed media paper because I wanted to have something that was different, and I have a crap ton of stuff going on here. So basically, I'm gonna do a few things with you guys on here on video, and then I'll kind of speed up the process, and then I'll come back at the end and show you all that I made. So basically I'm going to use my gel plate, which you see here. This is a homemade one. It is not store-bought. And I am going to just kind of start with very simple backgrounds and maybe build up a little bit later. I have stencils. I have all sorts of stuff here that I can use. I have my homemade, stamps and whatnots. But I want it to be, I just want to create some backgrounds. I'm going to try to go on theme, but not go too crazy. You know what I mean? I'm not that great at gel printing, so bear with me. I'm just going to have fun and just start pulling some colors out. Since it's summer, I kind of want it to be bright and happy and not dark and depressing, which is usually what I wind up leaning towards anyways. So I'm going to start out with some bright colors first. So I'm going to start out with this yellow color, and I might mix it a little bit with another color. But I think I'm just going to stick with yellow for now, and we'll build up on that. So yeah, I'm just going to brayer this out here. And since I'm using a 4x6s, I don't need to cover the whole thing up. So basically that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go through. That looks nice. I like that. So I'll set that aside. Put some more. And I'll just kind of transition to other colors. Yeah. So I have another kind of yellowy, goldy color. I don't think I've opened it. That was a lot of paint. But yeah, I'm super excited to be trying out a challenge. I usually see challenges go up and I think, oh, that would be neat to do it, but I never have the guts to do it. I got some of my nail there. There we go. I'm going to try to be mindful and not get too crazy with the paint here. Yeah, I quite like that. So let's just keep building this up a little bit. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to start out with yellows. And then I'll build up to other colors. So once I get all of my 31 pages covered up, I will definitely be back. I'm going to try to be a little more mindful here. Whew, okay, so that was not too bad, actually. I got all of my cards done. Here they are, and they're all basically in the same color family. Yellowish, you know, with a little bit of this orangey color thrown in there. And I quite like the way they came out. It was real quick. I mean, we got some different ones, you know, I like that. And of course, we're going to be building on all of this. So these are my 31 postcards. And yeah, I'm going to go through once again. And I'm just going to put some designs on some of them. I really just want it to be like a background, so that way I can build up on it, because it's supposed to be one postcard per day. So that's why we have 31. And you're supposed to decorate one a day. And you have to have some gel print element in there. And yeah, this is going to be my gel print element, is going to be the card itself. And then we're going to build on top of that. But I want to add some like other background elements to it real quick. So I might do some like very simple stencilings, stuff that is going to add interest, like maybe like this honeycomb type thing. And we'll kind of make it like, I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. So with this, I am going to start using some darker colors so that way it kind of shows through. And I'm going to use like a blue color, maybe like this one, well, maybe not. Because I was thinking like the sun in the sky blue, you know? Where's my favorite blue? There it is. There's my favorite. I'm going to use this one with that yellow. And I'm going to use this as basically a mask. You know, it's a stencil, so that's what we're going to do. So I tell you what, that's basically what I'm going to be doing for the majority of this. Whenever I am done, I'll come back and I'll kind of flip through all of these with you guys, just so you know, you're kind of not seeing the same thing over and over again. But as you can see, these, I like the way these came out. These are a little bright for me, but we'll see. We might still be able to use them. Anyways, I'll be back whenever I finish everything. So here we are. I am all finished and complete. I didn't want to put y'all through the process of me, you know, doing basically the same thing over and over again. But here they are. Let's get a good look at them. As you can see, I kind of stuck with the yellow. That was my base, and I built on top of it. I think they came out really nice. I used stencils, and basically that's all I used was stencils. And then, you know, just flat color on top of them. I like the way this one came out. It looks neat. And probably the next step would be to round the corners and kind of fix these edges here where it didn't quite cut correctly. But yeah, stencils. These are all stencils. I think they came out really nice. I quite like them. It's very abstract. That's for sure. And the fact that I used a mixed media paper helped a lot because, as you can see, they didn't really curl all that much, so it worked out great. Yeah, so now I can use these for whatever. This one's probably my favorite. I don't know, it's like very abstract-y. I tried to remember the color wheel and go with colors that kind of go together. I'm really bad about that, but I'm learning slowly. Usually everything that I make usually comes out really muddy because I don't pay attention to the colors that I'm using. I'm just like, oh, that looks nice. And then I put it together and it's like mud. So I did a little better this time. You can kind of distinguish the colors a bit. Oh yeah, I used some corrugated, what do you call it, cardboard. So to make these marks here, and this one has a little bit of it as well. So yeah, and then this is a stencil. So yeah. Let me keep saying that over and over again. I always get super full of paint whenever I'm doing stuff like this. This one didn't really come out quite the way I wanted it to. I might add a little extra, like during the whole decoration phase. This one here is one that came out muddy because I used the wrong color, of course. So I went over the top of it with some green and a stencil. And the same thing happened with this one. So I thought, oh, I got to get rid of that. So I put green on top of it. I thought that would kind of help. I didn't do anything with this one. I just kind of left it. Same with this one. I kind of just took some ghost print of some of the stuff that was left over. Same here. Those are pretty much it. I didn't do anything else with these. These I left them alone because I'm not sure what I want to do with them. It's very bright and in your face, so I wanted to dull it down somehow, and I still haven't figured out how to do that. So yeah, those are those. Pretty interesting. Good background, I guess, for something else. But yeah, there are my 31 postcards that I am going to be decorating. We'll see how I go. I don't know how it's going to work out, if I'm going to be able to decorate 31 postcards with you guys. This is pretty new to me, so hopefully I'll be able to do it. But here they all are ready to go. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. So let's go on this journey together. I will see you in the first real episode starting July 1st and so on and so forth. So that's the plan. I'm going to try to do one of these a day, and I am going to try not to make it super duper long. I was kind of wanting to watch other people do it and see how they go. But I have to take a look at the rules one more time and make sure that I'm actually following them. So anyways, thanks for joining me. I will see you later. And happy crafting, happy everything. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.